Prior to 72, there was some chaos in the Philippines, wasn't there? Or is that a...
Yes, there was a chaos in my country in 72, and the students were demonstrating. There were too many guns in the street, and Mr. Marcos used this as an excuse to declare martial law to restore peace and order.
Well, now you ran as the candidacy for the presidency.
No, the presidential election was coming in 73.
73,
Yes.
okay.
You see, Mr. Marcos was elected in 65, and under the Philippine Constitution, our president cannot go beyond 8 years, and therefore he had to step out in 1970.
And I'd like to contribute my efforts and my assistance to the opposition, having been the Secretary General of the major opposition party in my country. We need at least 4 months to reorganize our grassroots, and then maybe 4 months to campaign to be ready to be in shape for 1984.
Has there been an effort to stop you from coming back, and why there has been this effort?
There has been tremendous effort to get me back. I mean, they denied my passport, they denied travel document, and I'm really puzzled why they would do that, because considering I have a death sentence, and considering that they have so many charges against me, I thought that they will welcome me back to make me face those charges.